He is. What you doing there, mate? What's that on your phone there? I can see you've been using your phone.
I'm checking my route now before when I get my...
Are you allowed to do that?
Well, I'm not moving. When I'm driving, it goes down.
I don't think you're allowed to do that. Anything to say to your boss?
As in, what do you mean?
You'll hear via the police.
Okay.
PJ20XYA. She showed it to me very nicely that she was doing on her phone.